Hello, and welcome to the fifth tutorial of the eKe translation management software. In this tutorial, we show you how the translators can upload their finished works and how the progress of the project continues automatically. Let's log in as the French translator. You can find the task under the Your Task sign. Its name contains the assignee's username, the name of the project, the order number, and the actual status of the task. Click on it for more information. There are the details of the task, the deadline, the original language, the destination language, and the original file to translate. The Modify task field becomes important when the translation is complete. Click on the Choose File button, select the translated file from your computer, add a comment if you wish, and then click the Submit button. The program jumps back to the task details screen, and the red line confirms that the translation was uploaded successfully. To indicate to the program that you have finished your job, click the Close this task button. The program jumps to the translator's front page and confirms the closing of the task with a similar red notice. The German translator is expected to do the same steps. After doing that, let's see what happened from the admin user's point of view. Let's log out and log in as the manager. Click the Admin Side button. Let's see the status of the assignees. Click the Assignees button in the eKe field. The German translator's job is finished because the Needs Revision box was not ticked, as you can see, and there are no subsequent tasks. The French translator's second task is still under discussion. That is because in the previous tutorial, the manager said the French translator's work will need revision, so the program set the status of the task Done needs revision. The program will not continue the project until the admin or the project manager user manually sets the status of the task Finished. They can do it by ticking the task, select the Finished task action, and click Go. The status of the selected task became Done, and the following task status changed to In Progress. The French translator now receives the details of the second task. Let's take a look at the subprojects. Click eKe in the menu, and then Subprojects. As the subproject of the German translator contained only one task and it is done, the status changed to Finished, no invoice yet, while the French subproject is still in progress because of its second task. To continue with the project, we have two options. As this second task is not a translation, just a demo task, it is enough to log in as the French translator and click the Close this task button, or as the manager you can select the task, choose the Finish task action, then click Go, and the task is considered done. The manager itself can upload a translated file before finishing the task. This is useful in special cases, for example when a translator did not register as a user. The admin user can generally substitute any other user's functions, while the manager can substitute the most important ones. Let's go back to the subprojects. As all the assignees are ready, the status of both subprojects are Finished, no invoice yet, and if we go to the project, the status of the whole project is Finished, no invoice yet as well. We can find all the translated files sent back by the assignees. Click on the project name and go to the translated files table. You can see both the German and the French translated files. The next step is the creation of the invoice, and that is the topic of our next tutorial. This is the end of the fifth tutorial. Thank you for your attention.